Hi, this is a warm-up video for beginner Euphonium students. It's designed that you can do it along with me as I go through it. Grab out your starter sheet, looks like this. If you need a copy of it, you can also download it from the link in the description of this video. Of course, you'll also need your euphonium and mouthpiece out ready to go. And then don't forget, if you want to replay any bits of this video so you can try them again, you can definitely do that. First, we're going to do some breathing. Breathing is really important for playing any brass instrument because the breath is where the sound actually comes from. So what we're going to do, we're going to breathe in for 4 beats and out for 4 beats. Here we go. Ready, set, go. That's the way. Okay, we're going to try that one more time, but this time I want you to make it as deep a breath as you can. Really deep, big breath like that. Here we go. Ready, set, go. That's the way. Let's do that 2 more times. Ready, set, go. Great job. Next up, we're going to do some buzzing. Grab your mouthpiece, take a really good breath in, and then do a buzz like this. Okay, let's try that. So big breath in. That's the way. Let's try it again. Okay, now next we're going to do a high note. You need to make your lips a bit tighter, make your air, blow out your air really fast, like this. And so you're going to buzz like this. Okay, let's try that together. Ready? And one more time. Okay, and then we're going to do a low note. So this time make everything really relaxed, make the air relax too, and go for something like this. Okay, let's try that. Big breath in. And once more. Now don't worry if your sound doesn't match up exactly with mine just yet. The more you practice doing this, the easier that'll get. Okay, now next up we're going to actually play some notes on the eupho. We're going to go through them one by one. You'll be able to see what they look like as we're going through them as well. Don't worry if you're not sure how to read them yet, we'll get to that in the lesson, but they'll be there so you can see it too. I'm going to do it in 2 different ways. First of all, I'm going to start on the B flat, the low note, and then go up. And then I'm going to start on the F, the higher one, and go down. You might find one or the other of those easier to do. You can start with whichever one you'd like. You can do both versions if you want. So here are the times to go to for each of those versions. Okay, so first of all, make sure you've got your eupho. We're going to start with B flat. Now to play B flat, you have no vowels down and you're playing a low note. So keep your lips and your air relaxed. It's going to sound like this. Okay, let's try that together. Don't forget to take a good breath in. Ready, go. And again. Okay, now we're going to go on to a C. Now for C, you need to press down your first valve and your third valve. If you have, like I do, a 4th valve, you can use that one instead. But for today, I'm going to do first and third valves. Okay, so C, first and third valves, still kind of low, so don't let things get too tight. And it's going to sound like this. Let's try that together. Ready, go. Don't forget, it's really important to sit up with good posture when you're playing a brass instrument. So make sure you can sit up nice and tall so your lungs can work well. Let's do that C again with good posture. Okay, next up we have D. Now to play D, it's the first valve and the second valve. Okay, it's going to sound like this. This one's sort of in the middle, so don't be too tight or too relaxed here. In the middle is where we want to be. let's try that together. Ready? And one more time. Ready? Go. Okay, next note is E flat. That means you need to use your first valve. Sounds like this. Okay, let's try it together. Ready? And again. Ready? And then we get up to the F. Now F is open, that means no valves, so it's the same as the B flat, but it's high this time. So make your lips nice and tight, make sure your air is really fast, and go for a note like this. Okay, so let's try that together. Ready? And again. Ready? And there are your 5 notes. Now, for those who want to start on the F and go down, here is the F. So to play F, it's open, no valves down, and it's nice and high. So keep your lips nice and tight, and it's going to go like this. Okay, let's try that. Big breath in. Ready? Let's do that one more time. Ready? Okay, then we're going to go down one note to E flat. To play E flat, you need to press down your first valve, like that. Okay, it's still pretty high, so don't let things change too much from the F. It sounds like this. Let's try that together. Ready? Now it's really important when you're playing a brass instrument to sit with good posture, so make sure you're sitting up nice and tall so your lungs can work really well. Let's try that E flat one more time with good posture. Ready? Okay, then we're going to go down to a D. For D, you're going to press down your first valve and your second valve, like that. It sounds like this. This one's kind of in the middle, so don't be too tight with your lips now. Just a little tiny bit relaxed from where they were before. Let's try that D together. Ready? And again. Ready? Now we're going to go down to C. For C, you use your first valve and your third valve. Now, if you have a fourth valve like I do, you can use that one instead of 1 and 3, but for today, I'm going to use 1 and 3. Okay, so the C sounds like this. Let's try that one together. Ready? And again. Ready? And then finally, we're going down to our B flat. Now, B flat is the same thing as F. It's no valves down, what we call open, but this time it's a low note. So keep everything nice and relaxed. Get a really low note like this. And that's the B flat. Let's try that one together. Ready? And again. Ready? And there are your 5 notes. Next, we're going to do some tonguing. Tonguing is a really important thing to do on brass instruments to make the notes start really clearly. First of all, try saying ta. Just say it. Ta. Can you feel how your tongue's moving? That's what you should do for the start of each note you play. Try saying it a few times in a row. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, we're going to try doing that on the eupho now. Grab your eupho up. I want you to pick any note you'd like. I'm going to do a D, but you can pick whichever one you want. And we're going to try doing a ta to start off that note. Like this. Let's try that together. Ready? How did you go? Could you feel your tongue moving to start the note? Did it sound nice and clear? Let's try it again. Ready? You might want to pause the video here and practice that a few times until it's feeling more comfortable. You might find it's working really well already. See how you go with that one. When you've got it feeling comfortable though, try doing a few in a row. It's going to go like ta, 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 or... Okay, let's try that. Ready? Go. And so that's the idea with tonguing. Okay, great job going through all of that. We've only got one more thing to do, and that's to play an actual song. We're going to finish up by playing Hot Cross Buns. Now you can see it here written down. It's written with notes, with note names, and with fingerings. You can read whichever one of those works for you, and we're going to cover them more in lessons as well. But this way you can see it as we go through. You'll also find it written down with just the note names on your sheet. I want you to try and play it through with me. I'm going to start us off by counting in. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we play through. Okay, so here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is. How'd you go with that? Did you find it a bit tricky? It's one of those things that just takes a bit of practice to get used to. Of course, you can go back and play it again with me, or you can try playing it with this next version I do. This time, I'll count us in still, but I'm going to say the note names so you can play along with that. Okay, I'll even say the note names and do the fingerings as we're going. Okay, so here we go. Let's try that again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. D, C, B flat, D, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, 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 D, C, B flat, and there we go. Great job going through that. It can be a bit tricky playing a new piece, but as I said, the more you practice it, the easier it'll get. Feel free to go through those ones as many times as you want. And that's it. That's the whole warm-up. Great job getting through all of that. Try and do that for at least 4 different days each week. If you get even more than 4, that'd be fantastic. And of course, you can try it with just the sheet without not using this video if you want to as well. Have fun practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.